Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Smoker, just gonna hold it out.
Alpha Kilo, we're now, and then the next inbound in the hole then. We'll like it.
1 Alpha Kilo here. Syntax protect.
Australia is one isolated place you could find on Earth, making flights going to this country to spend up to more than 10 hours. Qantas has announced Sydney to San Francisco as their next route for its Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. The airline is under a serious turnaround. It wants to see itself introduce direct flights from Australia to major destinations across the world. We might see flights for more than 20 hours be launched within the next few years. This flight will begin from the 4th of December 2019. Although this is not a new route for the airline, because currently the airline is flying the 747 to San Francisco. This is part of the efforts of the airline to do away with the 747 and replace the old plane with the more fuel-efficient planes. The last Boeing 747 for Qantas will complete its service in 2020. Qantas 787-9 Dreamliner features the next generation economy and premium economy and business class cabins. The aircraft can carry 236 passengers. The Sydney to San Francisco Dreamliner service will be operated daily, and it is going to be complementing the Qantas existing Dreamliner service between Melbourne and San Francisco, which is operated 4 times per week. Naren Kumar, Qantas International Acting CEO, said, "Our Dreamliner is the most comfortable aircraft we have ever flown. Customer feedback on the cabin environment, from the seats to the anti-jet lag massage, continues to exceed our expectations. The 747 has been the backbone of our international fleet for more than 40 years, so it will be the end of an era and the start of another. On a bid farewell to the Queen of the Skies from flying to mainland America." The 787 can be good for any destination across the entire world. As the reason Qantas is flying it to London and New York non-stop. The 787 that will be flying to San Francisco, it is expected to arrive anytime soon from October. When all Dreamliners for Qantas have been delivered, the airline will have 14 of them in service. The 787 is a phenomenal aircraft, and its impact on long-haul travel cannot be avoided. It is a plane that has made it interesting to fly for more than 10 hours. Surely those who will be flying to San Francisco will enjoy themselves. Let me thank you for watching Wellstar Aviation videos, and also let me feel free to welcome you to like my video, and also feel free to subscribe to Wellstar Aviation. I'll also be looking forward to be engaging with you within the comment section.